Let's start with 170 grams of shredded cabbage, 1 small size sliced capsicum about 50 grams, 1 medium size sliced onion about 60 grams, 2 chopped green chillies and 1 small size julienned carrot about 30 grams.
So welcome to our channel The Foodie Couple 333 and let's begin with our today's recipe.
Now in a bowl we'll add the cabbage, capsicum, onion, green chillies, carrot, now we'll add half cup of gram flour, half cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, a teaspoon of Bottle Masala, a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, half teaspoon Cumin Seeds, a teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon Garam Masala, and now we'll add 1 egg and mix everything well. Next, take a pan and heat oil for shallow frying. Take a spoonful of the mixture, place it gently in the pan and spread it out slightly. Fry on both sides until they are golden brown. And the cabbage patties is ready to eat.
So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Enjoy!